And a day after Narendra Modi met RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat in the capital, BJP national president and senior RSS leaders held a meeting which is now being described as a mere courtesy call. But speculation is rife over a possible Modi cabinet being the subject of discussion. Sources are, however, telling headlines today that the meeting was to review the BJP campaign as it draws to a close after what has been a long, hard-fought election. Post-poll strategies were also reportedly discussed. Bhaiyaji Joshi, Dattatreya Hoshbole, Suresh Soni and Krishan Gopal were present in that meeting with Rajnath Singh today.
ये तो अपना परिवार है, बराबर मिलते जुलते रहते हैं, क्योंकि सारे देश में संघ के कार्यकर्ताओं ने इस बार अथक परिश्रम किया है, तो स्वाभाविक है संघ मुख्यालय पर मैं आभार व्यक्त करने के लिए गया था। वैसे मैं भी संघ का स्वयंसेवक हूँ, आभार व्यक्त करना कोई आवश्यक नहीं था, लेकिन फिर भी सामान्य शिष्टाचार के नाते मैंने इसे आवश्यक समझा, पार्टी का अध्यक्ष होने के नाते, इसलिए मैं वहां पर आभार व्यक्त करने को गया था।
एक जनरल एक सौहार्द भेंट, इट वाज ए जनरल एक अफेक्शनेट मीटिंग था। आई डू नॉट से इट इज ए कर्टसी मीटिंग। संघ के अंदर कर्टसी मीटिंग नहीं होती, एक अफेक्शनेट फैमिली मीटिंग होती है। तो ऐसे हुआ, जैसे मैंने कहा, कल भोजन भी किए, आज राजनाथ जी भी आए थे, संघ कार्यालय के एक सीधा सादा भोजन जो रहता है वो भी करके गए। एक बहुत दिनों से उन लोगों ने मेहनत किया था, हम सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा। दो स्वयंसेवकों ने देश के नेतृत्व लेकर, पार्टी के नेतृत्व लेकर जो किया, सबको हमने अभिनंदन किया।
The Congress has, however, hit out at the RSS-BJP meetings, calling it a perfect example of a very old, remote-controlled politics.
It is the typical propaganda machine of the BJP trying to confuse and confound. And certainly the administration is entitled to look through a divisive, polarizing tactic of the BJP in wanting to go to a particular location and spot and conflagrate issues.
We have Brijesh Pandey joining us live from the capital for more on the story. Brijesh, it's really ironic that it is the Congress party who's now calling the BJP RSS meetings a perfect example of remote-controlled politics, considering it's the very allegation that the BJP has been levelling against the Congress UPA government.
Well, absolutely. And when we posed this question to Meenakshi Lekhi, she hit out immediately saying that even if it is a remote control, it's a patriotic remote control. And does the Congress want the government to be remote controlled from Italy? So, of course, both sides not losing any opportunity whatsoever to hit out at each other. But yes, these two meetings with Narendra Modi and Rajnath Singh, with respective top functionaries of RSS, has definitely fueled a lot of speculation. People are saying that a lot of discussion about the future course of strategy, future poll alliances once the BJP gets an X amount of seats and all was also discussed in that meeting. But a lot depends on the number which the BJP as a standalone party is able to garner on 16th May. Right. And I think it's only after that concrete movements we will be able to see concrete movement post that only.
Absolutely, Brijesh, but that's doing nothing to quell the speculation that has been rife over the possibilities of a Modi cabinet being discussed in those series of meetings. Thanks very much for getting us that perspective from the capital.